My name is Raymond Luya. I'm a professor of tax law at Maastricht University. I'm glad to be back here in Lisbon for the GREIT conference. I've been teaching here on state aid law 8 years and 7 years ago, when it was still a rather exotic topic. Nowadays, I'm lucky enough to have an entire morning to talk about state aid, tax rulings, transfer pricing issues, because by now it's not only a hot topic, it's nearly the most important topic of EU law, EU tax law at this point in time. So I'm very glad to be back here together with other excellent speakers and to have a very communicative and interested audience. So it's a pleasure for me to be here back in Lisbon, and I strongly recommend you to take part in next year's course.
My name is Shay. I'm a senior lecturer in law at Harvard Law School, and I'm honored to be able to participate in the seminar, the GREIT seminar, the 8th year of doing it on international taxation, and this year focusing on BEPS and tax competition. I will be speaking about R&D tax incentives and the importance of evaluating their effectiveness as part of an overall national innovation program. And my paper will suggest that one should view a number of the incentives with great skepticism as to whether they are cost effective. And I essentially recommend that we re-examine all of our R&D incentives to see if they're properly focused on increasing the likelihood that we will achieve economic growth through innovation. It's been a pleasure to be here and enjoy Lisbon, and I can recommend this program to students in the future. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Antonio. I'm a tax lawyer. This is actually my first time here in GREIT. Last years I have heard a lot of GREIT, and then this year I had to come, mainly because of the mainly because two reasons: the professors that are visiting professors here lecturing us, and because of the issue that is being discussed here, which is the data directive, which is a very updated theme. It is actually a very modern topic, because it is yesterday was the first day the directive was put in place, and this is very interesting for us and for me particularly as a tax lawyer, to be here being lectured by the most influenced professors in EU law on the main topics of the directive. So the balance between the knowledge provided by the professors and the interaction with the tax practitioners is actually very good, and in my opinion is one of the most relevant advantages of this GREIT conference in 2016.
Good morning, my name is Sissy and I'm a teacher here at this GREIT Summer School number 8. Professor Dorado has organized for the 8th time this GREIT Summer Course, on which I'm taking part, and I will teach tomorrow, Friday, on patent boxes and EU tax law. And today is a great day. First, the UK is gonna vote on the Brexit, and for all of us this is gonna mean a lot, even for us in the direct tax law field of expertise. Tomorrow we'll have a whole day on tax incentives, and I just want to say thank you to the University of Lisbon to organize once a year this high-level course for specialized researchers in direct tax law, which means a lot to all academia. And a special thanks to Anna Paula and her team for letting us talk about what is very dear to us at heart. Thank you very much.
My name is Geraldine Doyle. I'm an Associate Professor of Taxation and Accounting at University College Dublin, and I'm honoured and delighted to be part of the GREIT Summer School. It is my first time being involved in the summer school this year, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity for international PhD students to learn from each other, and to particularly in the context of the global discourse surrounding international taxation. and the topic of the GREIT Summer School this year is on tax competition. And my role here today is to talk about the case of Ireland, in particular in the context of international property and tax incentives for R&D and the knowledge development box. Thank you.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Mirna Screpante. I'm a PhD candidate in international taxation in Maastricht University, but now I'm currently doing my research in Vienna in the Institute for Austrian International Tax Law. And I get to know about this course from my colleagues, especially from Professor Pistone. And I really like the course. I really enjoy it because it has a high level standards. All the lectures and the speakers and the contests, they were really helpful, very interesting topics, and it helped a lot for my topic specifically I'm working on the taxation of intellectual property issues, and all the context regarding especially with BEPS issues helped me a lot for my research. So I would like to really thank, I'm really grateful to Professor Ana Dorado who organized this course. I really enjoyed being part of this year's GREIT Summer School, and I hope that next year and the other years I will be here as well. Well, thanks a lot.
So good morning. This was the 8th edition of the GREIT Summer Course here at the University of Lisbon. It has been a great success as previous editions. We are very proud that we have been at the forefront of the discussion regarding the BEPS project, and this year we try to focus on BEPS and tax competition. What is left for tax competition in respect of the BEPS project? We had wonderful speakers and a wonderful group of participants. The GREIT Summer Course is now a reference for PhD students and for practitioners also, and consultants and other professions. We've also had the participation during these years by members of the European Commission, officials of the European Commission, and other institutions around the world. So I hope for those who still did not come to Lisbon for this summer course, that you will come in the next years and enjoy.